Hey, Jewel, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
What do you say we do it again tomorrow at, I don't know, what time?
That was 3-3-1.
That was 3. Hey, I thought the hiccups were gone.
4th time.
They came back the 4th time today.
I think my mom told me, I think I got it from, I think I get hiccups after the stroke, I think.
Oh, really? That could have come from the stroke. I don't know.
I don't know either.
By the way, you know we didn't do that whole time, Jewel? What day is today?
Monday. Dude, look at your shirt.
Dude, look at your shirt.
I almost said Monday.
So on Tuesday, tomorrow, what time will we be online live?
3:21.
3:21, and I think we're going to do Instagram. Is that cool? But all you got to do is go to www.my321smile.com.
That's a lot of W's.
That is a lot of W's. So my321smile. Oh, there's the smile. That's my best smile ever.
Logo.
You were supposed to say .com.
Oh.
I was trying to catch a hiccup. My321smile.
.com.
My321smile.
.com.
I can't get a hiccup to come out when I want to. But yeah, we'll be on. It'll be Instagram, but all you got to do is my321. You guys are awesome.
I love you guys.
We love you. We'll see you tomorrow. My321smile.
You can move the phone to me. There we go.
They don't need to see me. They need to see you.
I know.
See you tomorrow, 3:21.
Yeah. Sorry for the hiccup. Ah!